Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with our 3-minute daily dose of Torah. Today, looking at one other piece of the creation story that describes the creation of humankind. And this is taught in the name of Rabbi Simon. B'sha'a sheba Kadosh Baruch Hu livrot Adam harishon, when God came to create the very first human being. So now, assume kitim. You know what ended up happening? It became a very partisan matter amongst the angels. They broke into different groups and positions. Some said al yibare, and some said yibare. Some said they offered their opinion don't create this human being, and the other one said, oh no, you should create him. And it quotes the verse in Tehillim, Chesed ve'emet nifgashu, tzedek v'sholam nashaku, that kindness and truth met, and righteous judgment and peace kissed. And so they divide up this way. Chesed said he should be created because humans will show kindness to one another. Emes, truth, said, don't let him be created because humans are a bunch of liars. Kulo shkarim, it's just full of lies. Tzedek said, let him be created because he'll do lots of acts of tzedek, of righteousness. Shalom said, al yibare, don't create human beings. The kule ketata, all they do is fight. So how did God resolve this? You have a dispute amongst the angels between the two that want and two that don't want. What did God do? Natal emet v'hishlicho la'aretz. God took truth and threw it to the ground. Quoting a verse in Daniel, like "Tashlech emet arza." That's what God did. So he hears arguments that says that we're a bunch of lies, that humans will be a bunch full of lies and fighting. And that's two on that side and two on the other side. So God resolved it by throwing emes away, so they could still create human beings. And the answer is that it's really, as you understand this, God's method here is that He desperately wants to create humans, and that when humans will fail, they'll fail. But when humans rise, they will rise, and for that reason, God wants them. The moments will come when they come. But because of the potential they have for the good that they'll do, that seems to be more important to God than the potential and the reality that we will be filled with fighting and even falsehoods. In fact, one other version continues this midrash that when all the different angels were in the midst of their fighting, God just got up and created human beings because He so desired to do this, to create the world that we have. Our job is to make sure that we carry out our tzedek and our chesed side, to try to reach for shalom and to try to challenge the falsehoods, so we can be people of emet as well. Today, stand up for a truth, do a chesed, and do a kindness, and help bring peace. Have a great day.